because I was not worried. I said, वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. I cannot be bothered about my selection. So let's say if I score 200, I don't get selected. A lot of people think, 200 तो किए थे, मेरा तो selection होना चाहिए था. I would take it in a way where I said, 2 मारे थे, अगर 3 किया होता तो they would have selected you. So how to take the same situation in a positive manner? When you take it in a positive manner, you go back, you work harder and you come forward. It's always the mind that is the most difficult to control. Body थकने के पहले mind बोल देती है तुम थक चुके हो. So it's always training the mind, how to try and control the mind. It's the most or the toughest things to control. But if you have the mind in your control, along with the emotion, emotionally जब आप high होते हैं तो a lot of times you take decisions emotionally. But what is important, you have to be rational. So emotion is there, but emotion shouldn't affect my decision. क्योंकि अगर मेरी decision गलत होगी, it will have a lot of impact on a lot of people.